Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. I'm facing this issue when I try to get the authorization code. I'm facing that you're not the part of the organization. So how to fix that one? So first of all, go to the Zoho CRM. First of all, let's go to the Zoho CRM. Okay, let's go there. Okay, again sign in for this, the same account. Okay, company name, I will add the test. Employees count is 2 and go with the get started. So here you can see that you have the integrations and everything. So same account, set up your organization, create a new organization. Okay, so let me just close this. Is there any method to close this? It's a home, I this home screen. Okay, let's go to the home. Okay, so here you can see that. Let's see the organizations we have to create. Let's go and just check. Set up your organization, create a new organization, fill up the, but I'm able to access the leads and everything. uh Campaigns, CRM, let's see. But here there is nothing, I suppose. Let's check the URL again. If the same thing happens, generate, just copy this URL. Now I have the permissions or not, because I have created that account. Now here you can see that the my node app, because now you can see I have the test now, so the error resolves, right? I need to just do the accept or reject. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video I'm going to generate the authorization code. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.